Hello and welcome to another episode. Today I want to show you a new feature in Adobe Express Beta. So let's get started. We start by creating on this plus here a new Instagram reel, for example. You can either choose it here or we go to the left and choose Instagram reel. Then I add a video. So I'm looking for a wide angle, dark ocean, something like that. I'm going to add that. Since we want to cover everything, I'm just drag it down the way that it fits to the canvas, and I drag it about that size. But now I'm going to crop it, just drag this upper line here down. I'm going to crop it until the end of the ocean. Then I choose the background color here on the left. We have it now at the moment white. We're going to change that to black. Now I'm going to add a moon. So let's still be in the video tab. Let's delete that search. I'm going to add moon. Let's see what we get for that. Let's go with that one because that one is moving. I'm going to crop it again and going to resize it a bit, make it a bit bigger. Let's start it at the beginning, in the middle. Then we're going to do adjustments still, warmth, brightness, a bit more highlights, I guess, like so, and saturation even more down. Let's see. That's perfect. I like that. So now I'm going to show you something what you might not know. I want to add a swan here, so I'm going to go to the video tab still. I'm going to add swan. I really like that one. So I'm going to add that one. I just scale it a bit in the composition. You also have the possibility, by the way, with videos to stack your files, to stack videos, to stack even all the photos you add. So just keep that in mind. But the cool thing is, if you are now on that video with the swan, I'm going to just hit remove background, and supported by Adobe Premiere, it's going to remove the background automatically. And I would say in many cases, really, really cool. And so I'm going to wait for that now. It will take a while. So here we go. We still have these birds here, so we just crop them away. Let's move that away like so, and we just bring it a bit better for moving in the right composition. So here we go. But since it's too bright, so we're going to do some adjustments. And we're going to go down with probably everything so much that we just get everything a bit darker. It's kind of limited here, so I think like so, it's going to fit. So here we go. And let's start with playing. Play. So I see that with the crop with the moon, we have a problem because it's going out of the composition or out of the crop here. So we need to correct that. And we do that again. Let's see how that works now. Now it's going to fit. That's perfect. But we need to shorten the video. So let's show the layer timing. And we need to shorten the video up to the place where the moon is ending. So otherwise, it's not going to work. And let's see how the swan length, that's fine. It's even longer. So let's do that again. That's perfect. And we might add some music. So let's go close that. And we go to the audio. And we're going to search for ocean or something. Maybe we have a better idea. So let's see how that works. Whatever you choose then, you just drop it here. And let's play again. If you think this is a fit and you're happy with it, just make sure that everything is cropped at the right place. Here we go. Then you can download it here and as an MP4 with 1080, or you can even go to a 4K. So just keep in mind that 4K, the file size is going to be huge. So we just download it. That's it. Give it a try.